MBIRARU ma KUHURUKIA URIA URARI MUNENE wa MBIRARU General Francis Ogolla ni marekereire na Igongona ria mathiko ni rigatabanio THUKURU-ini wa MUTHINGI wa Obama mwena wa Ogolla kaunti-ini ya Siaya. Kuringana na Major General Paul OTIENO uria uratongoragia mibango ino, igongona riri ni rigatabaririo ni thirikari mitaratara ya MBIRARU ikirongoririo niguo kuhe gitio kia muthia mutigaire General Francis Ogolla.
This is where we are going to have a service. It's going to be a state function. We expect His Excellency the President will also attend the function, and it will be largely a military burial in terms of conduct, but we're also going to engage the local community in terms of the service.
Mwiri wa mutigaire utanyitwo gukombokio kiroko gia tene na uthutha ucio igongona riambiririe thaa 3 cia rucine. Ageni a ngathi itiganite ari hamwe na mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto matanyitwo gugekinya.
Yes, other diplomats already, I think I've gotten indications that we are getting the CDF from Namibia should be arriving shortly at Kisumu. I think Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi and others. We are getting this list from State House as well as from the defense headquarters, and we'll provide you with updates as soon as we get them.
Ona kuhana roguo andu 50 tu nio magetikirio muciini kwa Ogolla haria mwiri wake ukahurukio. Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugiteri wa thiini Raymond Moro agitariria ni mehariririe gugathingatithia watho wa KIHARO.
This is a state funeral, and of course the fact that it's going to be conducted by the military, the traditions and the protocol of the military will apply. What that means is that it's not going to be like any other ordinary funeral ceremony.
Omolo uria uma hamwe na minister wa ICT Eliud Owalo guthurima mehaririria ma muthenya wa ruciu. Oho ni manyitanire na family ya Ogolla gukungwira muthi wa guciarwo gwa ithe wa Ogolla uyo gukinyagia miaka 100 ya guciarwo.
In fact, I really feel for His Excellency the President, because if there is any one man the President had trust in, is General Ogolla. He believed General Ogolla will do to this country anything that he himself, as the Commander-in-Chief of the Republic of Kenya, needed to do for Kenya.
Ngiribotera ceceni ya Kameme TV gitagwo Wanjeri wa Kariuki.